In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Custom Rule Builder. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple automation that reacts to due dates and assigns work to the right person, so your project stays on track without constant manual updates. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. If your sidebar is collapsed, click the sidebar icon to reveal your projects. If it only partially expands, click again so you can clearly see the full list. Now select the project where you want this automation to live. At the top right of your project, click Customize to open the customization panel. Choose Rules, then click Add to create a new rule. We'll build this one manually, so select Start from Scratch. Asana may also offer an AI option to suggest a rule for you, but building it yourself is great for learning exactly how triggers, conditions, and actions work together. Let's set the trigger. Click When, then choose Due date is approaching. You'll see timing options. You might notice options like Due today. For proactive reminders, change it to 1 day before, so the rule fires the day before the deadline. This helps you catch tasks before they slip. Next, add a condition to make the rule more precise. Click Check If, choose Due date is, and select Due date is not empty. This ensures the rule won't run on tasks without a due date. Add another condition. Due date is before, then set a date using the calendar. Pick the date that makes sense for your scenario, for example, the 17th, so you can narrow the scope while testing or target a specific time window for your team. Now define the action. Click Do this, select Change Assignee to, and replace no assignee by choosing the teammate who should take ownership when the rule runs. Assigning a clear owner at this moment helps ensure that reminders result in action, not just notifications. Review your trigger, conditions, and action to make sure they read logically. When a task's due date is approaching 1 day before and the task actually has a due date that's before the specific date you set, then assign it to the right person. When it looks good, click Publish Rule. Your rule is now active for this project. Any task matching those criteria will automatically update, saving time and reducing the chance of missed deadlines. If you need to tweak timing, conditions, or the assignee, return to Customize, open rules, and edit the rule anytime. This is a simple build, but the same approach scales to more complex automations as your workflows grow.